Govinda-Līlāmṛta, Niśaṅta Lila, first chapter. The mañjarīs have awakened and are preparing for doing services as Rādhā Govinda will awaken too. One sevā dāsī says, "O mañjarīs, come and see the youthful couple for whom your flower malas and pan are intended. Just see how they are tightly embraced within the kuñja. O priyā narma sakhīs, come and place your lotus faces next to the nikuñja mandir's window and allow your beautiful eyes to freely roam. Having expertly performed the dance of love, Kiśora and Kiśori have been honored by Nidra Devi, who now joyfully embraces them, the deity of sleep, Nidra Devi. The mañjarīs do as she says and observe how Rādhā and Kṛṣṇa are tightly clasped in each other's arms, but their dress, ornaments and garlands are missing due to the sombre light emanating from the jeweled ghee lamps. Radha's body appears like a soft campak flower, and Kṛṣṇa's like a delicate blue lotus. This was an excerpt from Kṛṣṇa-Bhāvanāmṛta, chapter 1, from verse 4 to 9. Experiencing the divine couple's beauty, one mañjarī exclaims to another, "O sakhī, look." At first sight, this couple resemble a dark cloud garlanded by a streak of lightning. Are they bathing within the nectar shower of their own madhurya? Thus amazed, the mañjarīs conclude, the usual custom is that the master reward his servant when she has finished her sevā, service. But we are so fortunate that we can get our reward even before beginning to serve. This is the first 15th verse from Kṛṣṇa-Bhāvanāmṛta, from the first chapter. Śrīla Chakravarti Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti, waves his description in Kṛṣṇa-Bhāvanāmṛta in and around that of Govinda-Līlāmṛta. The verses just quoted reveal an important direction that Śrīla Kṛṣṇa Das Babaji from Govardhan does not touch upon until later. Indeed, we shall find that Srila Chakravarti Pada's Bhavadhara, line of thinking, and deep avesh, absorption in meditation, churn the nectar found in Govinda-Līlāmṛta and thicken its rasa, ecstatic taste. The gentle malign breezes waft slowly across the kuñja, lingering like a groggy person just rising from sleep, kissing the newly bloomed flowers. It escorts their fragrance in every direction. The intoxicated bumblebees that have been sleeping inside the flowers also awaken and begin buzzing hither and thither. Hearing the bees, Śrī Govinda-Devi becomes aware that night time is coming to an end. She anxiously signals to the birds, whose melodious chirping will awaken Vrindavan's Ishvar and Ishvari. Seeing that the night has come to an end, this is the 11th verse, Vrinda Devi directs the forest birds under her command to awaken Madhusudan and his beloved Radhika. Since they have surrounded the nikuñja mandir for that very purpose and are just waiting silently for her signal, despite their anxiety to serve, as soon as they receive her signal, they immediately begin chirping enthusiastically from all directions. The mañjarīs sing in the grapevines, and the shukas call from the pomegranate saplings. The mango groves resound with the peacock's cry. The bumblebees buzz in the flower lotus, and the roosters crow on the ground. The nikuñja mandir is decorated with hanging flower garlands and a bed thickly smothered in lotus petals. The male bumblebees enter this enchanting mandir in search of pollen. Their humming drone resembles the auspicious sound of ratipatis. Rati is the women of Kamadev. So Ratipati is Kamadev. And this humming resounds like the conch shell of Kamadev. Overwhelmed with elation and intoxicated by the honey from the flowers, the delirious female bees make their gun buzzing. This is likened to the clanging sound of kartals, Jankriti, made by Cupid's wife, Rati. Tika. Just as a talented musician's instrument induces the mind and body to dance in elation. The buzzing of the bees has the same effect on the divine couple. So Nidra Devi has them begin their intoxicating concert within the flower vines. From there they enter the vilas mandir to surround the flower bedstead with their sweet vibrations, just as the sounds of the conch and kartals are pleasing to a mandir's devata, so is the intoxicating buzzing of the male and female bees to Rādhā Madhava, the deities of the vilas mandir. Verse 16. The male kokilas continually cry cuckoo, cuckoo in the fifth note. Their sound reverberates like Cupid's veena. Seated by their drunken husbands, the female kokilas release the soft mango buds and indistinctly echo cuckoo, cuckoo. Tika. Expert in loud shrills and invoking pleasure, the kokila's singing is so maudlin and sweet that it seems that Cupid and his wife have directly appeared to play the veena and vipanchi. Vipanchi is the smallest stringed instrument or lute usually played by women. Thus Radha Govinda can neither remain asleep nor sober. Verse 18. The sudden shriek of the pigeons resounds. Has Cupid taken the form of a hyena to plunder the doe-like passions, shyness, and dharma of the Braja Gopis? This shrieking shakes the Gopis' pride that resembles a tiger cub. Gaura Premanande Hari Hari.